Hello everybody and welcome back to Boom Trainspots. I am your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we are back at Winchfield again. It's Tuesday the 26th of May 2020 and it's 10 to 3 in the afternoon. Yeah, it's a lovely hot day. I think it's about 25 degrees or so. I'll carry on when she's finished. Yeah, so this is the Southwestern Main Line again, and we'll be seeing trains from Southwestern Railway and hopefully some freight. It's a reduced service still, but I think there are slightly more trains on because it's after the bank holiday and they're trying to get people back to work. So let's see what we'll get. And as always, Southampton is that way, and London Waterloo is that way. First train of the day. So really annoyingly, the wind's just picked up, which is typical, because I'm trying to film a train video, and I believe that's one in the far distance. So I will keep filming. Yeah, there it is. I've been using this app called Raildar, and this video isn't sponsored by them or anything, but it's just like a train tracker, and it's really cool because it told me that 5 minutes ago this train that you can see right there was in Aldershot, and here we go. Here comes the stopping service.
For the 15:05 Southwestern Railway service to London Waterloo, calling at Fleet,
Perfectly on time.
Lane, Brookwood, Woking, Weybridge, Walton-on-Thames, Surbiton, Clapham Junction,
And there is no one on the platform, in case you're wondering.
Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Clapham
Poo-poo.
Junction, you will need to travel in the front 9 carriages of the train.
Man. Look at that. Oh, there's one person on it. One human on a 12-car long train. Again. They do get up to speed very quickly, those trains. seems to be a human on the bridge. We don't see many humans these days. It's really funny how the shadow of the shelter is like perfectly following the yellow line. The shadow's behaving itself and not crossing the yellow line. Well done, shadow. I believe that is a very, very slow train. But I think it's a train. I'm quite sure that there is a train. Yeah, that's definitely a train. Yeah. What is it? Oh, it's a freight thing. That's weird. Hasn't got any carriages, just the loco. That's the track making noise in case you're interested. And there's a light down there. There is a train coming. That freight thing was weird though. If you watch my first ever train spotting video on the channel, you'll see another thing like that, but not the same one. That was I can't remember what it was now. Something like a freight liner. Look at the underneath of that bridge. I mean, goodness me. It's dripped rust as well all over the platform and the tracks. I don't know why I'm down this end of the platform. I just am.
Stand back from the edge of the platform. Our stations are no smoking areas.
Poo poo poo. Very, very windy. Here comes a stopping service up there, and there is another train down there. So I'm going to film the train down there and then pan around to catch a stopper train. Mm. I'm with my train spotting assistant. That's the other person with the other cat. There's another train coming. Yeah, look. There's a that's gonna get overtaken. Look, flipping it, 3 trains at once, all in one recording. I don't know which one to film. Well, I'll stay on the fast one and then pan around on the fast one. And here we have another 12-car train with some passengers getting on it. Wow, that's rare. I think they're not going to be able to catch it. They might miss it. Yeah. In case you're wondering, that's the 3:45 to Basingstoke. Perfectly on time. So that's all from me today. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, those 3 boys I think were quite lucky to catch the train. They were the only travellers.
Plan ahead, consider others, follow government advice on face coverings, and maintain a safe social distance where possible. This will help us all stay safe. Thank you.
Yes. And yeah, so tune in next video. I believe that'll be Saturday. And I'm gonna go on the bridge now and film the next video. So see you all soon. Stay safe and remember to stay alert.
Psst, boom. Boom. Hi, Boom.